Right, here's the wheel pulled off. You can see by the marks on here how much it skids back and forth and how much wear. And what happens up happening is the inside of this here ends up rubbing around on here. You can see by the rubbers they're all broken away from where they were joined, and you can see by the marks in here how much the rubbers kick and twist. So as the engine loads, it twists the rubber like that, and that's what we end up with, this distorting. So you end up with all this movement. Now when you first put new rubbers in, this hub, you have to jump on it and force it really tight into here. You can see now it just falls together, and you can see how much movement there is, isn't there? I'll send this video off to Yamaha so you can see how much it's chafing around inside of there, around on that there. So there's a fair bit of wear and stuff in there. I'll go and get a new set of rubbers, my last set, and I'll show you how tight they are to go back together.